But this matter pertinent to the postmortem. Once your lordship heard this matter, and initially your lordship has indicated this within a day the body cannot be whole organ was decomposed, but the skull also got decomposed. Then your lordship has
Yes, you got the case diary with you.
yes.
Before I hand over the case diary, on the last day I was not present. My lord my lord have the liberty to Mr. Majumdar indicates what is his allegations first. I will reply and I will corroborate everything by way of the case diary. I have the case diary with me.
Was the body recovered?
Yes, my lord, I can, if my learned friend,
He is wanting to the postmortem.
may I say one by one. But first, a allegation comes that a mobile phone has been lost of one civic volunteer. That is the first information we gather. We find that X had got the mobile phone which is said to have been stolen. We call X. X comes to the police station. X says that, no, I do not have the mobile phone. It is with Y. We say, okay, you call Y. Y comes. He says that, no, it is not with me. It is with Z. We call Z. Now Z comes. He says, no, it is also not with me. It is with A. A comes. And all these four persons come one after the other to the police station. Entire thing is videographed. Now, the allegation is the X, the first person, dies. The allegation, what my learned friend says, is that
the difference of date is how much?
No,
Wait,
they come.
May I say?
Yes,
16th, the boy was taken out from his house to the police station. He was released on 17th. 17th, he came to his house in a very abnormal condition. He became sick. 18th, he couldn't even eat properly, and 18th evening he was taken to the hospital by the family members. 19th, he died. And 20th, the postmortem is being held. And kindly see the postmortem within 20 days. Everything has been.
That is the reason I was trying to listen to what my learned friend would be saying. The incident happened on 17th. The entire chain of events happened on 17th. He goes back, going back entirely with the CCTV footage. They are there in front of the police station, chatting together, goes back. He is brought to the hospital at 8 p.m. on 19th. The doctors, I have the 180 statements recorded. The doctors say he was brought dead at 8 p.m. on 19th. CCTV footages are also there. He was brought dead.
Who brought
his friends? Brought dead on 19th. The doctors start writing the reports and start informing us. They take the body and flee.
Who?
Their friends. No. They take the body and flee.
So there is any document to that?
Yes, the CCTV footage are there of the hospital. Even before we start, the hospital authorities start writing, they take the body. Once they listen to from the doctors that he is brought dead, they take the body and flee. They again bring the body at 12:20 midnight on 20 July. They bring the body. Now it is with the doctors. Doctors give the
on when the 20th morning.
Yes. 20th midnight. Early morning, that is 12:20 midnight. First 8, after 4 hours, they again bring the body at 12:20.
Have you registered a case?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Arrested those persons?
No.
Those persons who had taken away the body?
No.
Why not?
Because we are in the process of investigation of 103 of the person.
This is one part.
Yes.
Now, once a dead body.
This is after registering of the 103 case. This has come to light after investigation from the last order which your lordship passed. We have collected these materials. After we made the requisition to the hospital authorities, 180 statements are recorded of the doctor. Then the inquest happens next morning. The inquest and the postmortem happens thereafter is indicative that his entire organs were damaged due to excessive intake of alcohol.
So how can the brain be decomposed like that?
No, nothing is.
You come to the postmortem report, sir.
Kindly takes now the
all parts of the organ, everything has been, including the scalp. Even 7 days also, the scalp cannot be decomposed. And kindly see who identified it, Milord, Constable C1526, Sanat Kumar, Shanapati, Arsha Police Station.
You come. Have you got the report? No, I have got a report. Earlier date.
I have handed over the case diary.
Case diary, I'll see. But the thing is that over here, if you got a
পোস্টমর্টমটা দিলে আর এইটা দিন, এই চেইন অফ ইভেন্টস।
Page 6.
Chain of events data. Chain of events. This is the chain of events and the.
No, I'll see that letter, sir. Something is wrong over here. You come to page 6.
Page 6 of the report, which was handed over to Lordships on the last day. Yes, postmortem.
Postmortem report. How come hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage, these become decomposed, sir?
All intestine. Well, I have in the.
Whatever it is, are you satisfied with this postmortem?
We had.
Number 1. Number 2.
We had raised queries to the doctor.
Body is still preserved.
Yes, by the Lordship's direction.
এটা সেকেন্ড পোস্টমর্টমে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। তারপরে আমি কনসিডার করব, have you got the general diary entries from when? That 12 after 12:20.
General diary কটা থেকে আছে? From 1:45.
From
the 1:45 a.m.
Who informed you?
Yeah, hospital. Hospital.
Hospital 140. So from 1:45 you have got the general diary. And so far as the identity of the person, this Sanjay Kumar Senapati, Sub-Inspector, Varsha Police Station, how did he know this person? He was the person who examined him. How have you recorded that?
কিভাবে রেকর্ড হয়েছে যে সঞ্জয় সেনাপতি ওনাকে আইডেন্টিফাই করলো কি করে? হ্যাঁ, ওনাকে আইডেন্টিফাই করলো কি করে? বাড়ির কেউ ছিল?
এখানে স্যার আছে তো স্যার সমন কুমার।
আচ্ছা, the postmortem report indicates that brother of the deceased was also there. Top right.
Top right.
Or the by whom identified by the medical officer.
The Sanjay Senapati,
Sanat Senapati and Soman Kumar, brother of the deceased. And he is the repetitioner.
But how come this postmortem be accepted, sir? I don't understand. If this is narration of facts, doesn't go with the postmortem, sir. Decompose has got a
bone decomposition. I cannot justify now, but
yes, for ordinary disease death, actually.
Yes. This is a pure case of excessive intake of alcohol.
What is that? Can you see the remarks given by the doctor? What he is saying? Death was due to effect of disease condition.
Kindly takes.
I will consider the matter will take a serious stand because I will see, is this person qualified to conduct postmortem?
Associate professor.
No, associate professor.
I have to.
চাকরিটা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, অপথ্যালমোলজিস্ট কে দিয়ে দিলে তো মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে না? I've got nothing to say, but this postmortem report raises many questions, sir.
Kindly takes the abdomen portion.
I understand, but then see over here now, the balance of convenience I have got.
Bone, I cannot say. I am not an expert, but
all decomposed. How can it be?
All organs.
There must be some time, sir, for decomposition. Hyoid bone ke decompose dekhiye diye.
Yes, bones I cannot say anything. They are experts.
No, domeri likhije.
But we suspect this is not the body of the actual person. It cannot be.
Whatever it is, that the brother is there, na?
Yes.
We will identify whether he was at all present there at the point of time.
Videography is there.
Yes.
I have the pen drive of everything.
That I understand. That is why I'm not going far regarding the investigation part is concerned. But I'm dissatisfied with the postmortem report.
Yes, postmortem I cannot say. It is not the part of the police, at least.
So just tell me, where is the nearby central government hospital over there? Nearby hospital, good hospital. It may not be central government. Morning to Arsha theke ana. I had been to Arsha. I know the place actually. Too far actually. Bokaro is nearby actually from Arsha. I've been to Arsha. The other side is Bokaro actually.
Send it to AIMS. It's better.
ওখান থেকে কলাইতে আনা মানে
Your Lordship can form a board to conduct the postmortem.
From AIMS.
Let it be from AIMS.
Ranchi AIMS you have?
Ranchi AIMS.
Huh?
Ranchi AIMS will be in our.
তাহলে রাঁচিতে ওখান থেকে রাঁচি কাছে হবে।
Yeah, Purulia to Ranchi is nearby.
Nearby. Find it after this. I'll pass the order only to this extent. This I'll keep the interesting matter to work out on. Let them carry out with the investigation. I have got nothing to say. Only second possible. Ask them to wait. I'll pass regarding.
Next day we shall address on the investigation.
With regard to investigation, I have only one thing. They had sent the mail regarding this complaint, but thereafter we have sent repeated mails. We have tried to contact them. They have no one.
Already case has been started.
They have come. They have to at least come and address.
Already the case has been started by them.
Do the postmortem first. I'm keeping it. Rekhe debo eta korbo mamlata. Case jaite dekhe you find out which is the nearest hospital. If it is Ranchi, I'll pass the direction. Ranchi is nearby only.
Yeah,
Bringing the body to Kolani is very.
5 hours. 5 hours.
Mr. Dotto also find out any other nearby hospital over there. আর একটা যেটা করা যায়, বর্ধমান সাইডে কিছু আছে, আসানসোল and all those side. These are nearby places actually.
Durgapur, Asansol.
Nearby places. Arsha is far off from Purulia town actually.
I shall let me find it out. I shall come back to you.
And even if there is a, just check out whether that infrastructure for autopsy can be carried out over there. There are many aims where autopsy cannot be carried out. Peripheral aims, they say. But if there is any other institute, otherwise I've got to constitute a board. A board means I've got to bring it to a nearby. That's why I'm asking you. Just find out in Asansol what is there. Asansol is now a district.
Yes.
Asansol will be nearby actually. So এটা আমি একেবারে স্যাটিসফাইড নয়। This is done in what Deven Mahato Government College and Hospital. Is district hospital? What hospital?
District hospital.
Yes, this is district hospital.
District hospital.
Anyway, pass the order, sir. বিকেলে তো কিছু আছে, চারটে তো ওগুলো হবে না, চারটে কাম ব্যাক at 4 o'clock.
No, can it be at 2?
2 p.m. ওগুলো
They have to wait.
হ্যাঁ,
At 2. Let it be at 2. Let's find it out. Let it at 2.
চারটে পর তো কিছু নেই, ওই মামলাগুলো তো হয়ে গেল তো।
At least with regard to the investigation,
I'm not commenting anything on the investigation.
at
Only on
this stage. At
only
this stage.
find out the doctors near.
So far the investigation part.
Not today, not today. That's some other day. Let first the first stage be over.
But can it be at 2 or 2:30?
Come at 4 p.m. On
Left. The condition subject stout. Has your lordship got? Second box from the top, left. Has your lordship? Dead body of male subject, such and such, mixed rigor notice is passed off and the body is in early stage of decomposition. This is the first observation. Now, lordship kindly takes 2, cranial and spinal cord. Just the bottom one, just below that. The scalp and the vertebrate. The scalp decomposed, skull and vertebrate intact. So, as far as the scalp, this is the skin portion, not the bone. The bone is intact. Only the scalp portion is decomposed. Now I would go to the brain part soft. Now comes down to the hyoid, the thorax portion, larynx and trachea. Left 3 thorax, third from the left, the larynx and trachea. Decomposed. It is not the hyoid bone which is said to be decomposed. It is What is Kindly takes bottom. My lord, the nomenclature is given mucous membrane. Only the mucous membrane is decomposed, not the bones. Hyoid bone and thyroid cartilage intact.
এত যদি বলছে come to 11.
Yes, I have seen.
Genitals, they are all decomposed.
But I've seen
Genital decomposition taking.
The doctor. We had taken clarification from the doctor. He says that by saying decomposed, he wants to corroborate with his initial observation, which is at the one external, the early stages of decomposition. His stage says
It makes more suspicion, my lord. This
this
more suspicion.
this is
Why, my lord? They are so, my lord.
Wait. Let him.
this is not a case where there was any external injury found, either on the body of the person.
I'm not on that, sir.
Well, I understand. What is passing through your
What is
lordship's
passing
mind?
through my mind, I'm telling you. See the series of events which has been narrated by you.
Yes,
You called this person on 16th.
yes,
So this person was live available to you on 16th.
yes.
Now on 20th also a dead body was brought on 19th
19th.
night,
Late night.
and 20th this again came back.
Yes.
So where is the question of decomposition coming in?
Well, the question is from the investigation, it transpires that the person was person passed away more or less around the noon or the morning of 19th,
Then also, my lord, 24 hours.
around 18 to 19 hours after.
Rigor mortis, my lord, discharge 24 to 48 hours.
After 18 to 19 hours, the person was brought.
And where? Why did they take away the body then?
The complainant took away the body. The prisoner took away the body.
Then body brought dead.
Yes.
Now then why did you, on the basis of what did you go for postmortem? Why did you go for postmortem?
Well,
Brought dead, why did you go for postmortem? Many persons die
yes.
in the hospital. In every case you don't go for
No,
postmortem.
because the complaint was received by mail regarding a specific case that
When?
After.
yes, after.
Then
After.
After the postmortem, we lodged a complaint.
But may I,
Anyway, let it go.
may I say only one thing?
Yes.
The chain of events, at least, and the documents which we have been able to collect, do not indicate that there was any physical assault on the body of the deceased.
Question now remains is that how much is your infrastructure available over there to assess regarding the postmortem, sir? Very difficult because you see skull intact. Not only you say only MM is decomposed.
Yes.
I'm leaving here. Skull is the last part in postmortem where anything can happen. Even if a firing is done through skull, also that movement is found from one part of the skull to the other.
The skull is intact.
Skull is intact, but the
Scalp, only the skin portion.
skin portion is decomposed.
Well,
So
the doctor says, well, I had a talk with him. He says that by writing decompose, he intends to corroborate with his initial stance or the indication
I have
that
no issues regarding that. But the
early stages of decomposition,
But
not decomposed
but-
completely.
but if date was 19 hours ago, this is what again once you make a mistake, the series comes out. Genitalia decomposition, what
Not
would be there?
decomposed, but early stages of decomposition.
Where did the body lie? What is your investigation saying? Investigation comments? Kabe?
Investigation next day.
20th. So already 15 days is over. What is your investigation saying that where was the body actually? Where did the person die?
At the home of the person.
At the home.
Yes.
And then decomposition. How
34 years old boy, 34 years. I could
Why is that?
understand. He's a
At the home of the person. Well, the
old man.
person was, well, we have material to show that he was under the influence of alcohol on regular basis.
So 34 years.
Even if that is so, within one day, you are over
Only the
here.
external parts, only the membrane or the skin, these have started to decompose. And the main part is liver. Liver was affected.
No, maybe he has that. I am not taking you. Investigation is going on. I'm not touching the investigation. You prima facie have registered a case of murder.
Yes. But this should not have been a case of murder.
Whatever.
What he's saying.
Once
This
you-
should not have been a case.
whatever it is, sir. Culpability. As a court of law, now I have got to see the other things down.
Well,
Vis-a-vis both.
yes.
Somebody's relation has died. Whatever it is.
Well, I acknowledge the emotions of the,
Not only emotions. The subsequent. Once you have registered a case.
yes.
Then you have got to put in your efforts for finding out the
Definitely.
truth. He's saying that saying I'm not on that. But prima facie, if this is the standard of writing in a postmortem report, then this is too much misleading for the court to come to any opinion, sir, as if nothing has been done. Although you see, first you should have taken a harsh step immediately when the body was taken away.
But that has come to our notice during investigation.
But
From
they-
the-
The CCTV footages are
Yes, are there.
Sir,
Are there.
immediately 201 to
Yes.
আরম্ভ করে দিতে হবে হতে
Yes,
পারত
yes.
না?
But I also had a talk with the higher officials also.
But you are this is messing up, sir. There are certain things. Maybe at the end of the investigation, you acquit everybody. I mean, discharge everybody. That's a something different thing. But when you are doing a murder case, you have already taken steps which are not very convincing to me also. Regularly, we are dealing with these cases. এটা সেকেন্ড পোস্টমর্টমে না পাঠানোটা খুব ভুল হবে, পরে আর কিছু করা যাবে না, because there are conflicting opinions within the report itself, sir. Within the report.
Only the nomenclature or the wordings used regarding decompose.
Sir, we are not scientific experts. So prima facie, what we understand at a first glance of the report, we have got to accept that this is the. Now, if that is there is a difference, what your police understands by this. Prior to speaking with the doctor, sir,
They should have sent it for the second postmortem.
it was their duty. He's correct on this.
They
Like,
should have sent it for the second.
they should not have been satisfied with this, sir. 18 ঘন্টা 19 ঘন্টার মধ্যে সব ডিকম্পোজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এটা হয়? আমরা দেখিনি একদিন
The rigor ends from 24 hours to 48 hours.
My lord will then kindly indicate.
কোথায় পাঠাবো?
Well, that I cannot.
কোথায়? ওই বর্ধমান?
But I'm telling your lordship, the place which I have not just now
Kindly.
that Devghar aims is 250 kilometers and our aims is 230 kilometers. Any place your lordship can say.
Kindly peruses this, though your lordship has indicated this is a clarification from the doctor. Kindly peruses once. We had raised certain queries. He has given a clarification. Good. Paran.
अरे भाई चलो चलो
Where is the body now actually?
More,
The hospital.
pursuant to your lordship's direction. Your lordship only said preserve it.
You go for a second postmortem. He has given clarification which may be useful in course of investigation, but let a second report be come over here, because see, once you have decomposed body, very difficult to do postmortem also. Let me accept his contention to be correct. Decomposed body postmortem, you require much more expertise. I have seen.
Second page is for the scalp.
These are explanations.
Yes,
Sir. Why
these are
should,
explanations. Subsequent. He says these are not unusual findings.
no, findings may not be unusual. See, you have raised the question.
I
Means what?
would only say that this is a wrong choice of words.
No.
Wrong choice of words.
One is
Careless.
One is this. So you would think regarding a set of circumstances placed before you, an incident, a person died. Let us accept the prosecution case to be correct. I'm not relying on
This is not a prosecution case. Prosecution as 103 is there.
No.
This has come out in
No, facts
Yes,
of the
facts.
prosecution case.
Yes.
19th in the morning hours, somebody died.
Yes.
The dead body is brought to the hospital. You say whatever it is. There are two possibilities. When the first time the dead body was brought, that it was people were under the impression he was alive. That is why the body was brought. Or in the alternative, his condition was such that they were not sure. Still, they brought the body to the hospital. These are the two possibilities. Now, with dead body, will there be decomposition? You tell me.
The autopsy or the postmortem report says that the time at which the postmortem is being conducted, the death could have been at least 18 hours before.
Then also.
সেটাই তো বলছি আমরা বারবার।
Then also second postmortem is required.
If it is so, these wordings, though, he doesn't know how to fill up the form.
Yes.
Actually,
Another thing, at the time of inquest, the petitioner was present. The petitioner had identified the body. There is a videograph that at the time of postmortem he was present, and he had videograph that yes, it is my brother. So with regard, they had alleged.
that's how the story
They
is
had
not
alleged.
But whatever they are saying, I need to check it up. I shall come up with your
But
lordship.
I have
No,
entire
whatever you say, that is not the gospel truth.
here it is written. Shaman Kumar is the brother of the
Yes, petitioner.
Yes. But at all, whether
অতটা ভুল লিখবেন, কিন্তু যেটা মেইন পার্টটাই মানে এমন ভাষা ব্যবহার করেছে।
Yes, that is a wrong choice of words. Wrong choice of words.
Wrong choice of words, very detrimental to a prosecution case.
itself.
ওরা তো একটা জাস্টিস চাইছে, মেবি কারেক্ট।
I cannot improve upon, but my lord, for the wrong choice of words,
It's not a wrong choice of word. This will go automatically throughout the trial, sir. This is a natural death, and I'm telling you today, if I leave the matter, and if you come to a conclusion that no case is made out, which you are going to basically. So fact remains, they will be left with no other
No
option.
other option.
এবার কোথায় পাঠাবো সেটা বল।
34 years old, he died because of drinking.
এই যে কি সে আর কি করা যাবে, সে অনেকের অনেক রকম দোষ আছে। মিস্টার দত্ত বের
কিছু সাজেশন আছে বলুন।
পাঠাতে তো হবে।
Kollani also 350 and 350, but 230 and 250.
কল্যাণী
230 kilometer. 250 is that.
from where it is 230, from where it is
From
coming.
Purulia to this one.
230.
Purulia to this Kollani ends.
পুরুলিয়া তো
Now Durgapur they will come.
নদিয়াতে তো ঢুকতে হবে এদিকে কল্যাণী।
To Durgapur, then Bardhaman, then they will reach this part.
আরে দিস মানে আসবে
Kollani.
নদিয়াতে তো ঢুকতে হবে, they have got to enter নদিয়া।
From Bardhaman there is a route to go to Kollani. Your lordship knows that. Gushkara side, from Gushkara that route.
এমস কল্যাণীকেই দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
Aims Kollani.
যাবে আসবে।
Will kindly indicate that because of these observations.
No, no.
I will
then
just give a second postmortem.
there is only second
I will not say anything. Right now, I'm not commenting whether this
opinion. There is
the-
second postmortem should be done.
postmortem is correct, incorrect. Findings, I'm not going into
Right.
that totally.
I will not make any observation.
I'm not making any observation. I'm just for ends of justice. I'm considering this to be a second postmortem is required, but I'll just observe that.
Another portion of my prayer, it remains.
There is another thing, just kindly. At this stage, when the postmortem was conducted, and after the postmortem being held, the body has to be handed over to the nearest ones. Our doctors had prepared this report for handing over. The challan was prepared. They signed the challan, accepted the body, thereafter left. I have documents in the case diary itself.
Milord, these are all Milord, to fill in the blanks.
Video recording.
Yes, everything is being
Fill
videoed.
in the blanks. Milord, we shall come up with that.
The
regarding the
entire
investigation
CCTV
part.
footage has been
We
stored.
come up with the
We
investigation
have
part. What you have done. we know that.
Date-wise, time-wise, everything done.
Yes. We'll come up with that also.
This is simply
Any unnatural
Mountain out
death
of
in
a
West
hole.
Bengal, either alcoholic or womanizer. These are the
This-
constant stand of the
this
state
is
of.
only a mountain out of a mountain.
Yes, we'll see. We'll see. Don't worry.
Should have been in a proper form, sir.
And I accept that wrong choice of words. I accept.
No, but who will override the wrong choice of words
Yeah.
of doctors?
I
A court will
cannot
not.
improve
A court
the
will
choice
not.
of words.
A court will not do that, sir. Number one. Number two is that neither the sometime or other the contrary opinion has to be taken by the court if it goes for trial or anything like that. At this stage, when the body, because see, other cases I have not allowed also. There are cases where I have not allowed second postmortem when I'm sure regarding the. But here I'm not feeling confident regarding the doctor maybe having experience, but experience of working and experience of expression are two different things, sir. We are not seeing the body. We are only seeing the report only. This report which is before us, does it inspire confidence? You tell me. I have nothing to say. মানে এই যে মামলাটা যেরকম করেছি যে ইন্ডিয়ান একটা এটা ওই এমস কে দিয়ে দিই। এমস কল্যাণীটা এখন নতুন hয়েছে ভালোই করছে। They are good. They won't differ with you also. If the finding is correct, they won't differ.
The question is not of differing.
I have found
Few
it.
cases, I was appearing. Your Lordship has found the finding. It came.
In a Murshidabad case, I
Yes,
gave
yes,
it. They put in 2-3 queries, but concurred with Murshidabad, nothing happened.
Here,
He
the
was
question of contrary view cannot be taken. I have, I would.
You are not
rather
medical expert, so let us.
There is a possibility, sir. There is a possibility. So, because maybe the doctor's understanding of things is correct.
Expression maybe.
expressing
Yes,
is-
I understand. I understand.
Uh-huh.
That is what is passing through your lordship's mind, and I fully understand and appreciate that.
চলে আসুন এটা। Yeah. Having regard to the stage of the case and the findings of the doctor, in addition to the grievance expressed by the petitioner and the reservations expressed by the state, I am of the view it is only for the ends of justice a second postmortem be allowed. Full stop. Such second postmortem be conducted at AIIMS Kalyani. Full stop. The body of the deceased be produced before the
Director, Ames.
director body নাই নাকি?
Just give me the. Just now you had this one. This is the person.
এটা কে আছে? ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ ফরেন্সিক এন্ড এক্সট্রা থাকবে একটা।
Professor and head.
হ্যাঁ,
Department of Forensic-
Professor and head of the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, AIIMS Kalyani.
Family members should accompany them. The body.
They will run away, sir.
No, she will not run away.
Actually, the brother ran away. It is shown in the
That
video.
is their case.
It
That
is shown
their
in the
case.
video.
Maybe you might record a confessional statement against the brother. That's why he ran away.
Mr. Dotto, main problem created by your officers. Once that dead body was brought back over there in the hospital, those persons should have been arrested.
Whether it is
This is where arrest is required at the initial stage. You give the leniency, you face the consequences now. There are certain circumstances when you work, no, you can't be human. I could have been human with you right now, but I'm not. This is the only reason.
There were agitations, road blockades, whatnot.
ও অনেক দূর চলে গেল।
Obviously, it's a police lockup. You beat up someone.
আচ্ছা কি হলো আজকে কত তারিখ আজকে 4 তারিখ
Hmm.
5 today they go back 7th morning Thursday morning 7th morning is all right na by 7th of morning by 7th August 2000 by 11 o'clock on 7th of August 2025 7th is all right 7th 11 o'clock is all right
Yes, yes.
আচ্ছা গেল who will accompany
Brother, the petitioner himself.
the petitioner will accompany full stop the petitioner will accompany the
আর কত?
ঠিক আছে along with 2 family members full stop the investigating officer would take aid of police personnel as it deems fit and proper full stop let the second postmortem be carried out at AIMS Kolani by on 7th of August 2025 full stop a report be produced before the court on কত তারিখ না না অত তাড়াতাড়ি 10th রোববার দিন
Aims has to be directed to place the report before the
হ্যাঁ
investigation.
a report would be produced a report be sent to the investigating officer of the case and a similar report would be placed before the court along with any query which arises from the concerned autopsy surgeon or any other doctor of AIMS Kolani who would be associated with the postmortem list the repetition 14th তারিখে দিচ্ছি 14th list the repetition on 14th of August 2025 কি হেডিং আছে আজকে forwarders at 4 p.m.
But just one line. The body will be identified by the family members. Kindly record that also.
হ্যাঁ
At AIMS.
আচ্ছা ওই ওইখানটা একটু ঢুকিয়ে দেবেন ওই যে ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার যাচ্ছে ওখানে যেটা আছে who will identify the cops
The identification has been done.
Huh?
Once the identification
What is
is
the harm? I don't know.
once the identification has been done.
So what is the harm?
this petitioner তো
Yes.
so fresh identity
No, let it be. I don't know. What is the harm?
that will be done by the investigating officers see same body এবার body change করে দিলে আমি তো মুশকিলে পড়ে যাবো
No, but I'm saying the body will be identified by the present petitioner before AIMS Kolani. That's it.
Tayo will be also there they must
No,
confirm
they
that
company. I have no problem. Kindly record that also.
so that would be for the doctors to decide why should I record that sir there is already a recording over here whoever is there now you cannot avoid the investigating officer because he'll be the main person
Yes.
who will be the communicating
Yes.
joint between the
Right,
AIMS
right.
Kolani and this court so he will identify what is the difficulty sir you are accompanying if you have any objection regarding the cops you raise it over there I'm
Not
giving you
about
liberty
the cops.
Yeah.
But I have, with due respect, I have doubt regarding whether the exact body was placed before the
that's a cops too
Yes.
ঠিক আছে you raise objection over there
lordship.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আমি কি করবো এখন এটাও দিয়ে দাও আর কিছু করে নেই তো দিয়ে দাও